to resolve controller drift issues in Call of Duty, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smoother gaming experience. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check for firmware updates. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to your console or PC and check for any available updates through the settings menu. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a soft cloth and compressed air to clean around the analog sticks. Make sure to remove any dirt that may be affecting their movement. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. Access the game settings and navigate to the controller options. Adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks to minimize drift sensitivity. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce unintended movements. Step 4. Test in a different game. To determine if the drift is specific to Call of Duty, test your controller in another game. If the drift persists, the issue may be with the controller itself rather than the game. Step 5. Consider repair or replacement. If all else fails and the drift continues, consider repairing the controller or replacing it. Check with the manufacturer for repair options while looking to purchasing a new controller. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift issues effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.